So here we are just by Cofton Park, and we had a phone call to say there's a swarm of honeybees collected on the bottom of this chair. So I think the best thing to do will be to just give the chair a good sharp shake into the nuke. So the queen is in the nuke, and what you can now see outside the hole is the bees fanning. And what they are doing is fanning the pheromone of the queen to tell the other bees this is where the queen is. It's so cool. I'm just keeping out on their little prime ones, but then the ones on the ground, if they don't figure it out, I'll put the box on the ground, they should. Oh, it's so cool, you can see them, they put them up. She's got in the box, and she's in the box. Hi, so I'm Steve from Lickey Hills Honey. What's going on with the birds there? So we've just collected a swarm from nearby Cofton Park. They're in this nuke down here. They're on five frames, so all I'm going to do is take the lid off and transfer them into this hive. As you can see, I've removed the 5 middle frames. There's already wax foundation in there, so what we're going to do, pop the bees in there, put the lid back on, and leave them to it. Leave them for about 10 days just to get used to their new environment. Okay, so I'm just going to do this fairly quickly. There we go. Building comb already, look. Oh, isn't that awesome? See that male drone there? Big male bee.
The size of him. Show Mum. Do we have to feed them or anything?
Yeah.
Look at that frame. Let's see if we can find. Is that your box? Do you know? Yeah, sorry. I'm going to feed them the queen ones on the people in there. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a number of bees left in here. They're really calm now. have a quick look, see if I can see the queen. I don't think I can, but she is a sneaky one. A few drones in there. Just whilst they're calm like this as well, I'm having a quick look to see if there's any disease, any varroamite. Don't like it. So I'm just going to give these a short sharp shake into here.
That frame at the back, that's not in properly.
There we go.